So this customer has a skunk making its way under this front kind of patio area, if that's what you want to call it. If we make our way over here, we'll be able to see all the removal right here, and there's the hole kind of right down in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out this first bush here, and then we're going to dig about a 2-foot trench. Now, likely we're going to have to cut more roots out when we get in there, but this just kind of frees up the immediate area that we're going to be digging. Get the roots of that thing right out of there. So when we're done the dig, we should have something that kind of looks like this. So you've made the hole a little bit bigger. Now we're going to stick a door down here after we get this area meshed in. And like I said, get rid of Mr. Skunk. So you can kind of see how the setup works. We still got to cut some up top here to fit, but in the corners there we've got it crimped around so the corner's sealed nice and tight and there's no digging underneath it. It's done. Get it just about fitted. I'll take that little corner piece off. Alright. So now this is going to get tapped into this. This is going to get tapped into this, and then we're going to slap a door on right there. Okay, so you can kind of see the concept here. We're tapping this in along the seam here. As you can see, we're just putting the door on right now, right here. Just getting our twist wire ready, sliding it through our holes, binding it tight so the animal comes out, cannot go back in. In this case, again, the customer only wanted to come over a couple of feet and just do this one corner. If we have to, we'll exclude the rest, but for now this should suffice. Okay, so this is what our finished product will look like until we come back and actually retrieve the door. We'll put all the rest of this dirt back in and bring it up level after we get rid of the animal.